This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. The lesson I'm on is Binary Images with Artist. I'm doing Puzzle 8 of that lesson. What is the shortest binary string that you can repeat to draw the image? So we need to find a pattern. So we know we're going to repeat the string 13 times. We want to draw something in binary. And a string just means this in quotes. It's a digits or letters or anything, but we know we're doing zeros and ones. All right, so let's look for a pattern here. Now, 1 means off, 1 means on, 0 means off. 0's off, 1 is on. Just like in computer language, 0 is false, 1 is true. So 1 means on, 0 means off. So this is on at first, so that first one would be a 1. And then the next one is dark, so that's a 0, that's off. And then in the third block over here, notice that is lit up or whatever, so the light's on, so 1. And then the fourth is also lit up, so a 1. Now this fifth is dark, so a 0. Sixth is on, so a 1. Seventh is dark, so a 0. Eighth is on, so a 1. And then ninth is on, so a 1. 10th is dark, so a 0. 11th is on, so a 1. 12th is off, so 0. Then 2 1s. Now let's see if we have any patterns already. So 1 0 1 1. Well, I see 2 1s, so that's something we could look for. Oh, here's another 2 1s. Okay. Well, what's before our 2 1s on this? 0 1. Okay. So here's 10 and 10 11, but we have 10 11 here, but we would need to include one more 0. Can we do 10 11 0? 10 11 0 follows it, and 10 11 I bet follows that. So let's try 10 11 0 and see if it creates the image. Ta-da! Great, onward!